Hey shop owners, still using that old slow cash register? Let's fix that. Here are 5 reasons why you will love Shopify's new POS system in 2025. It's smart, fast, and yes, it might just become your new favorite employee. Reason 1. Super fast checkout. Shopify's new POS is quick. Customer can pay fast and you can move to the next sale without waiting. It's so fast, your customer might say, wait, did I just pay already? Reason 2. Easy sales and stock tracking. You can see what's selling, what's not, when to order more. No more guessing games. It's like your POS knows what your best sellers are before your staff does. Reason 3. Use it anywhere. Tablet, phone, store counter or pop-up booth. Shopify POS work everywhere. It's more mobile than your cousin who moves every 3 months. Reason 4. Happy customers keep coming back. You can give rewards, discounts and say thank you in smart ways. It helps turn new shoppers into regulars. You might even remember their dog's name. You can say, here's a new treat for Max too. Reason 5. Works great with your online store. Your online and in-store sales are in one place. Easy to manage, no more double work. It's like your website and store finally stopped arguing and started working together. So, if you want faster sales, smarter tools, and happy customers, Shopify's new POS is a game changer in 2025. Shopify POS, it's not just for taking payments, it's for taking your business to the next level.